it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! Oh my goodness, you guys! I got Halloween behind me, and I've got Christmas in the bag. Oh my goodness, you guys! I have an entire bag full of Bath and Body Works Christmas body care. We are gonna do a sneak peek right now. I gotta say, I was good. I have not smelled any of this yet. You know how hard this was for me? I was putting up Instagram, TikTok videos. I have not yet smelled the gingerbread one yet. We're going to do this on camera together. I am so excited. That was hard. So I'm going to start digging in. So I think there's like a fairy tale collection, and then there's a storybook. I think it's called the Storybook Collection. Strawberry Snowflakes. Look how pretty it is this year. I love this one. I think it's going to be Strawberry Snowflakes. I was like, wait a minute. I just thought fairy tale. Is it Snowflakes and Cashmere and Dahlia? I just totally lost my train of thought. I think that's what it's going to be. So, Strawberry Snowflakes came back from last year. Juicy strawberry, whipped cream, and iced bergamot. This was in the faceted last year. It is absolutely wonderful. Oh, it smells so good. It smells exactly the same. I am so excited about Strawberry Snowflakes coming back. Okay, next up, should I do it? I'm going to do it. The Jolly Gingerbread Village. Jolly Gingerbread Village. I really hope this is not the gingerbread latte one, because do I have the shower gel too? I think I do. I got the shower gel too. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. I was looking at the shower gel because you get a little bite of a different scent in the shower gel. So here's the scent notes: golden gingerbread, vanilla icicles, and Yuletide timber. Timber? Like, what is the timber element? The joyful sounds of Christmas carolers fill the air as the gingerbread village sparkles with cheer. The holiday season is here. I love that. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm afraid. I'm actually afraid to do it. What if I don't like it? I want to know what the timber note is. You ready? Oh my gosh, this is so scary. I think, oh my gosh. Okay, this is interesting. It's like it's gingerbread latte mixed with a little timber. This is really unique. Like, what is this? I don't know about the vanilla icicles. I am getting the gingerbread latte. I like it. I think I like it. I do. I think I like it. There's a definite Yuletide timber note in there. What is that? Oh my gosh. It kind of smells like Yuletide timber. I gotta wear this one, you guys. This is different. It's not straight on bakery. I gotta say, there's some other stuff going on in this one. Okay, let me smell the shower gel. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, you ready? You ready? Oh, I like the shower gel. The shower gel is sugary. This smells more like the gingerbread swirl one they had a couple years ago. There's still a timber note in here though. What the heck is that? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to wear this one. This is different. This is getting a little staying power. I'm still smelling it. I mean, it's just really interesting. So it's called Jolly Gingerbread Village, so you smell in the village too. Like, what is that? Okay, that's interesting. Okay, then we have Bright Christmas Morning. This came back from last year. A lot of people like this one. I was kind of okay on it. We'll see if I like it this year. Ripe red berries, blood orange, and crisp apple. It was a little too punchy for me. It just smelled like Christmas punch. I kind of like it this year. I don't know. My mood changes from year to year. I don't know. I'm really getting the fruit note in here. This actually smells pretty good to me this year. It's strong too. Okay, let me smell the shower gel. Look at the shower gel. The cute little mouse. Oh, this smells good actually. I don't know why. I'm kind of digging this year. Bright Christmas Morning is back. I don't know. Okay, then I have Frosted Coconut Snowball. These have a cute little mouse on the front. Gotta say, I like the packaging. I just talked about this one yesterday. This is the Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla, Winter Freesia, Snow-Kissed Woods, and Spun Sugar. Let me see what this one smells like. Yeah, it smells like Frosted Coconut Snowball. Got it in the shower gel. I like it better in the shower. These shower gels are good this year. Oh, it smells so sugary. Did they put like an extra dose of sugar in the shower gel this year? That's what it kind of smells like. Okay. I got a Strawberry Snowflakes shower gel too. How exciting is that? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, there's a lot of sugar in these shower gels. It's funny because we didn't get the cool lid on this collection. We got the metallic lid on these. They always do that. They always like mix and match in a weird way. We're gonna get rid of that. Okay. I also got, check it out, Golden Berry Mistletoe. So, it's way up there. Hold on. I'm gonna grab this, you guys. I gotta grab the rest of my collection here. Okay, I'm back. So, couple of weeks ago, maybe a week ago, I don't know. I did get Winter Candy Apple. Winter Candy Apple smells amazing this year. It smells really strong. I love Winter Candy Apple. So these are the faceted collection. Winter Candy Apple, Twisted Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel, and then the new Golden Berry Mistletoe, which I didn't really like in the shower gel. I didn't even know what the scent notes were. I got the scent notes now. And then, of course, we have Vanilla Bean Noel. I got a lot of Christmas. I'm so excited. Okay, you ready? Sparkling Berries, Sugared Spruce, and Frosted Air. So let me try this in the mist because I didn't try this in the mist yet. You ready? What the heck is this? This is really... I like the gingerbread one better, I gotta say. This smells like sap. I think a lot of people might like it though. Honestly, like, I'm not sure. It's a bad scent. Honestly, I just think it's not my scent. It might grow on me though. It's like sappy berries. Does that make sense? And there's some sugar in here. So I don't know. The verdict's still out on this one. I don't know if everyone's gonna love this one. These come with like the matching lids too. So the lid matches the bottle, which is gonna be cool with the Twisted Peppermint with the pink one. I also got Vanilla Bean Noel in the lotion. I have been using this. I think it's pretty strong this year. I'm smelling it. It's not Vanilla Bean No Smell this year. I'm kind of digging this one this year. I'm okay with this one. I can't wait to get Twisted Peppermint. So, oh my goodness, Christmas preview. I am so excited about this. I don't know why. Christmas is just really exciting me this year. I really like the look of this kind of fairy tale-ish collection. I can't wait to get the rest of them. And then I think the biggest like wild card here is the Jolly Gingerbread Village, because a lot of people were speculating like what the heck is Jolly Gingerbread Village. I think they got the Jolly, I think they got the Gingerbread, and I think they got the Village. It's like all three in one, which is really interesting. I'm gonna have to wear this a little while to just kind of figure it out. I think I like it. I think I like it. It's just so interesting that they put the Yuletide Timber Note in. Just odd. So, like I said, it's not a total full-on like cookie gingerbread bakery scent. That is not what this is at all. I would say it's kind of a mix, like I said, between gingerbread latte, a weird little timber note in there, and then the shower gel right up my nose. The shower gel smells kind of sugary. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to wear this for a while. I think, believe it or not, if you don't like smelling like food, I think you might like this because it's got kind of a nice holiday aroma to it. But if you were really looking for like a foodie scent, like a pumpkin pecan waffles, berry waffle cone, something that's like all food, I think you might be a little disappointed because it's not straight on gingerbread. I was hoping for a full on bakery set, like really good bakery. Oddly enough, I'm kind of digging Bright Christmas Morning. I gotta get everything and everything. I'm like so excited about all this stuff. Bright Christmas Morning to me smells bright and happy, and I don't know. Go figure that I'm really digging that one. Frosted coconut snowballs, frosted coconut snowball. But the other one that it's kind of interesting that these are like both the brown ones here. It's like a caramel colored packaging. I think this is supposed to be gold. It doesn't really look gold though. It's got kind of an odd sheen there. So I don't know. I love the packaging on this one though. The packaging is adorable. So anyway, that is my first impression of Bath & Body Works Christmas. I'm totally excited. I don't know why this year. I'm also really, really liking. I've been spraying this one a lot. There's just something magical about winter candy apple, and I've just been spraying this like crazy. I don't know. It just smells really good this year. So I'm excited about Christmas. I'm sure there's going to be a couple more surprises out there that we don't know about. There always are different like collections. We have that Woodlands collection for men. I actually smelled the candle. I didn't like it. I wasn't super crazy about the Woodlands. And then we have, what's the other one called? The Bright Northern Lights thingy. That's supposed to be the aromatherapy with the pine, eucalyptus. I think it's eucalyptus and pine. I don't know. I'm going to have to try that one out. But I'm sure there's a lot more coming. But this is exciting. This was like a fun little preview. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you're excited about. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.